So I think we should tell people that we just finished cooking for the
Okay, go over there, come over here. Go! Hi everybody!
Hello and welcome back to
DB
and M.
and M.
And M.
I'm DB.
I'm M.
Our cocktail hour. We just finished a long, long day.
As you can see, the kitchen is a mess.
Which it always is when we do our DB and M's cocktail hour, because if you ever need a drink, it's right after you're done cooking for a whole bunch of people.
Exactly.
And then, you know, something like this happens. And you didn't quite finish the recipe because you ran out of little balls.
Because somebody ate the balls. I cut
And
my
I cut
throat,
my throat,
but
I wouldn't tell who. So we're going to do a quick drink, Dirty White Mother.
Huh?
Dirty White Mother.
Dirty White Mother?
Yeah, Dirty White Mother.
Why?
Filthy. Filthy White Mother. Show them the booze and open up the Hennessy for them. Make sure everyone is silent for the pop.
So silent for the pop.
I'm getting crushed ice.
Dirty White Mother.
Silence! Carry on.
So you're going to the Hennessy very special cognac. But you know, it's produced and bottled in Cognac, France, so it's better.
So you've heard of a White Russian. Well, this is called a Dirty White Mother. And what we're going to do is equal amounts of cream and cognac and half the amount of Kahlua. So you can make any size drink you want. It's just 2 to 2 to 1. So this is put a couple of shots in there. Open the Kahlua. We put 1 shot in the Kahlua.
Which is coffee liqueur.
Coffee liqueur. And then 2 shots of cream. And of course we like to, this is ultra pasteurized. People, don't buy this ultra pasteurized crap. Get the
Biologique.
if you're French, the organic, not ultra pasteurized, just organic pasteurized cream from a bottle. Now the drink's ruined. Ruined. And I think we should serve this in one of those Marie Antoinette glasses. And then we're going to shake.
Okay, don't overshake. Usually the guys, they shake on the side like that.
There we go. Oh, you put that right past the camera.
There.
There.
And I'm always the first one to try.
Of course he is. A Dirty White Mother, DB&M's Cocktail Hour. Come back for more.
Enough. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
to our
subscribe.
page.
YouTube.com/MWMSHOW.
Exactly.
That's it. Till next time.